We interrupt your video. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of CJ38. A new emergency alert system mark application has been created, so check the description of this video to send your request. Note that tones may be valid and possibly may activate the emergency alert system by airwaves, and some scenarios may be frightening to some viewers. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations, cable systems, and YouTube videos shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming may now resume. Repeating, this concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming may now resume.